Netweb Technologies, analyzing the India AI margin impact. The Indian electronics sector is witnessing a massive shift as traditional manufacturers pivot toward high-margin AI infrastructure. Netweb Technologies, Dixon Technologies, and Kines Technology are the three main contenders, but they operate on completely different levels of the value chain. However, the primary concern for the market is the potential margin dilution that often accompanies large-scale strategic government projects. Management has indicated that while their core organic business maintains an EBITDA margin of 13–14%, these massive strategic deals could lower the consolidated PBT margin by approximately 150 to 200 basis points. The trade-off for this lower percentage margin is the sheer absolute scale and the Make in India prestige that comes with building sovereign AI infrastructure. By deploying NVIDIA's latest Blackwell GPU architecture, Netweb is cementing its status as the leading domestic OEM, which serves as a massive entry barrier for global competitors. Financially, the execution timeline is set between Q4 FY26 and the first half of FY27, meaning the bulk of the margin impact will be felt in the next fiscal year. Investors should monitor the company's working capital cycle, which recently widened to 120 days due to the front-loading of inventory required for these high-tech components. Despite the short-term pressure on margins, the growing order pipeline creates a massive, installed base for Netweb. This allows them to cross-sell their higher-margin software and services and private cloud solutions in the future, potentially leading to margin recovery once the initial infrastructure phase of the India AI mission is complete. Furthermore, the strategic nature of these orders often involves letter of credit (LC) backed payments, which eliminates credit risk. While the percentage of profit may be slightly lower, the quality of the earnings and the certainty of cash flow from the government provide a level of stability that few small-cap tech firms can match. In conclusion, the next fiscal year will be a balancing act for Netweb Technologies. They are sacrificing a small portion of their margin to capture a massive share of India's AI future. If they can successfully manage their supply chain costs and scale their proprietary software stack, the long-term profitability gains will far outweigh the initial dilutive impact. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button to join our community. We're on a mission to decode the best stocks in the market. Don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.